Is YouTube not working on your Fire TV Cube? Maybe it's stuck on a loading screen, keep crashing, won't play videos, show a black screen, or gives an error message, app not found? Don't panic. Here are the best fixes to get your working again. So first you have to make sure your Fire TV Cube is connected to the stable internet. If YouTube isn't loading, go to settings, then network and check your connection. If possible, try switching to a more stable Wi-Fi network. If that doesn't fix the problem, perform a cool reboot, unplug your Fire TV Cube from the power outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 3 minutes, then plug it back in and try opening YouTube again. Next, check your TV's date and time. Just go to settings, then preference, and go all the way down to time zone. Make sure everything is correct. If it looks wrong, switch to a different time zone and then switch back to refresh the system settings. Now check for system update. Just go to settings, then My Fire TV, and from about, check any update is available here and select if any update available. Just install the latest software, can often fix app compatibility issue. If YouTube still isn't working, go to settings, then application, and from manage install application, select YouTube from here and choose clear cache first. If that doesn't help, select clear data, and this can fix app related bugs, but you will need to sign into your YouTube account again afterward. If you're still facing the same problem, go back to the same menu and highlight YouTube, press the menu button on your remote and select uninstall and reinstall YouTube from the Amazon App Store. If YouTube is still missing from the App Store or you are seeing that app not found error, the last option is to reset your Fire TV Cube. So this is the hard reset. You just have to remember this will erase everything from your TV. So if you're okay with that, just press and hold the volume down button and mute button together on your Fire TV Cube about 20 seconds. So when the reset screen appears, you just have to confirm it and all are okay. And then you have to set up your TV again and you will see your YouTube is working well. So thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.